Hello guys, this is Zod Anjum and you watching Steno Techniques for Learning Shorthand. We have learned strokes, downward and upward, curve and horizontal. Now we are going to discuss the vowels. Vowels are the sound which represent the pronunciation of words by mixing strokes and vowels. Shorthand is totally based on sound, therefore vowels are the main root for understanding the stroke's identity for words. For example, we have discussed the stroke P. If we want to write the word pay, then we have to put a vowel with stroke to make a sound. Grammatically, there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U. But in shorthand there are 12 vowels according to sound. Vowel signs. The long vowels are represented by a heavy dot and a heavy dash. The short vowels are represented by a light dot and a light dash. Vowel places. There are 3 places close to each stroke where a vowel sign may be placed, namely, at the beginning, the middle, and the end. The vowels are accordingly called first place, second place, and third place vowels respectively. The places of the vowels are counted from the point where the stroke begins. In the case of downstrokes, therefore, the vowel places are counted from the top downward. In the case of upstrokes, the vowel places are counted from the bottom upward. In the case of horizontals, the vowel places are counted from left to right. Value of vowel signs. The vowel signs are put in the places which correspond with their numbers. A heavy dot in the first place represents the long vowel A, in the second place it represents the long vowel A, in the third place it represents the long vowel E. A heavy dash in the first place represents the long vowel OW. In the second place it represents the long vowel O, in the third place it represents the long vowel OOL. The fight vowel signs for the short vowels are put in the same places as the heavy vowel signs for the long vowels. If the vowel in a stroke is first place vowel, then our stroke will also be written on first place, means above the line. If it is second place, then on the line. If it is third place, then below the line. Here I am writing some strokes for example. Calm. Cam. Bait. Bet. Eel. Ill. Pod. Pod. Wrote. Rut. Pool. Pull. Paul. Polly. Coal. Cull. Peel. Pill. Jade. Fed. Raid. Red. Dome. Dumb. Vowels preceding and following strokes. When a vowel sign is placed on the left-hand side of an upstroke or downstroke, it is read before the stroke, as ale, earth, ape, age, eat. When a vowel sign is placed on the right-hand side of an upstroke or downstroke, it is read after the stroke. A, ray, J, shoe. When a vowel sign is placed above a horizontal stroke, it is read before the stroke, as ache, eek, own. Preceding vowels. Ebb. Aid. Etch. Edge. Voff. Ache. Egg. Aim. In. Own. All. all. Following vowels. Low. Row. Woe. Ye. Bow. Day. Foe. They. K. Gay. Mo. Knee. Preceding and following vowels. Ebony. Italy. Attack. Ashore. Allay. Academy. Arrow. Agony. Afar. Anatomy.